This video tutorial will guide you on how to connect Close CRM with other apps in just a few clicks. To connect Close CRM with other apps, search and select Close as your first app. Then choose the second app you wish to integrate with it. You can either opt for ready-to-use one-click automations, or you can create your custom automation by selecting the required trigger and action. Let us select the ready-to-use one. Next, you need to connect your Close account by providing the API key. To do so, simply click the provided link. Log into your Close account and then navigate to the Settings section. Click on Developer and create a new API key. Copy the key and return to Integrately to paste it. Similarly, you need to log in and connect the account for your second app. Once that's done, map the required fields. Test your automation and finally, make it live. Congratulations! Your automation is now up and running. To verify, perform the activity to trigger it and check if the corresponding action is executed. In this case, for each new contact added in Close, a notification email is sent to Gmail. Integrating apps and setting up automation is indeed that simple in Integrately.